Chicago Untold Stories film program.
It's a program where teens get to film documentaries, and it's great.
Learning real life skills.
And throughout this process, I had the great opportunity to work with the Envoy Pro Mini.
I'm so thankful for OWC for providing this accessory. I don't know what I would have done without it.
The Envoy Pro Mini.
It's a full, compact, solid-state drive.
It's reliable, it's portable, and it also looks good.
I create a lot of content on a daily basis, and with this comes a lot of storage issues. OWC's Envoy Pro Mini really helps avoid this at all costs.
It is so fast and so easy to use.
It has been extremely amazing for me on my journey of becoming a great filmmaker. It has allowed me to be as creative as possible because it gives me the space to do so. With the 480 gigabytes it holds.
Thanks to Envoy Pro Mini, my productivity has increased while working in this program.
It just looks so chef's kiss.
Thank you, OWC.
When I tell you all this is the real deal, I don't know what I would have done without this. This was my best friend.